Hello, here is another quick video about Wix tips and tricks. And the question came up in another video on how to have a full width, add a full width picture. So I am going to show you a couple of things. If you want to add, if you were just going to add a full width picture, let's just choose a picture and add it. If you just add that and make it full width, then some of it's going to get cut off on smaller screens. So it doesn't really adjust to smaller screens. What you want to do, I'm going to delete this. I just pressed the delete button. I'm going to add a strip. So right here, I can either go to plus to add a strip right there. I typically use one of these. And just remember, this is not totally black or totally white. It's just about. So if you want it totally white, you have to change it to the white color. But the other thing you can do is just click here to add a strip. You're going to add a strip below that section. I'm not going to worry about that this isn't totally white because I am going to add that image to the strip. So I'm going to change the strip background. This is showing me that it's full width. If the icon is green, that means it's active. So if I change the strip background, instead of changing the color, I'm going to change it to an image. So I'm going to go back to that image, change the background. So now this strip has the picture in the background. So when I make the screen smaller, actually, it's easier when I preview it. When the screen gets smaller within the strip, oh, there we go. Then the picture adjusts. If you just had the picture, back to editor, if you just had the picture sitting there, then it wouldn't adjust. The other thing is, let's see, the way this website is set up, there's some margins. So the website doesn't go all the way to the end. I mean, to the edges. There's a little margin throughout. So if you wanted to do that, you're going to go to the stretched full width of the strip, and then you're going to add margins. This is probably about 80. Yep. So that just added 80 pixels to each edge. So if I preview it now, it's in line with the other pictures. If I wanted it to display so it kind of showed the image moving like this one at the top, then we're going to go back to the editor. And we are going to use scroll effects. I like to use reveal. So if I preview it now, it's going to move as I scroll through. Everything else moves, and it makes it appear. You can play around with the different effects. The one above, I think, is parallax. So that's going to move. If you preview it, that's going to move. That didn't work. Oh, did I change the wrong one? Now I can preview it. And now it's moving along with the site. So there's different tricks that you can do to make it more interactive. I hope that helps. And you can subscribe to my channel and contact me with any specific questions. Maybe I'll make a video for it, or I can just answer your question or help you out. Thanks.